Hi there, art enthusiasts and tech lovers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you ever wonder about the future of digital art and how AI is revolutionizing it, today's episode is gonna blow your mind. Those hyper-realistic and stylish digital portraits occupy the web. Ever wonder how they're made? Now you can make your own versions. Well, today we're diving deep into the world of Stable Diffusion and LoRA, inspired by a fascinating ball of Shruggingface. Big credit to it. Now let's not just talk about it, let's see it in action. First thing first, I'll walk you through what is the input and output in real quick. Let's follow the step-by-step tutorial of Shruggingface, a really easy to follow tutorial. We'll see how we can use the no-code tools to try Stable Diffusion out so that even you don't have any technical background, you can also make your own self-portraits. And of course, you can expand the scope of usage to any kind of materials that you would like to apply self-diffusion on. And I can tell you this generative art is gonna revolutionize the art industry for sure. This will be a really simplified version of what it can do, and of course combined with your creativity you can do a lot of amazing stuff. So now let's dive right into the starting point. First thing first, you have to select the image that you like to use as the training set. So in Shruggingface, he chose couples of his own image from different directions, as you can see, looking at the fonts, left and right, and different angle as well. So you have to provide training material to the model to fine-tune your own version. Basically, you can convert it into anything you want as long as you have couples of images of the target that you would like to work on. So today I choose some images of Neo Messi. Let me show you right now. It's just some random image that I caught from the internet. Of course, not for commercial use. It's just for educational purpose. And as you can see, I choose as much different angles as possible, like Shruggingface has done. And then it's really important to get the good result. And actually, what I chosen is not really some excellent example, but in fact, the AI is so powerful that it doesn't really affect much of the results. So once you get the image ready, you can convert them into a zip file. I'm not gonna walk through every hands-on steps in it when you are converting or you are collecting the image. I would just like to share with you a very high level tutorial how it works and inspire the artists and tech lovers to try it out. And when everything is ready, we can head over to the webpage. This is the no-code tools that we are using today. It's really amazing and powerful. We can just follow the configuration of Shruggingface. It gives us a really good result. Let's see how it works when you arrive this landing page. You can first of all upload your image as the input, and also some configuration. For this one, I'll choose face, and you can of course try others out. I'm not setting a seed here. The resolution is 512, and then when I click submit, it will process with the fine tuning, and I will also take the time to explain how it works. So Webcase will itself go for every step needed for fine-tuning the model, and they will charge based on the second you use for the computing power. I'll also attach the pricing method in it. So what it by default choose to use is the NVIDIA A100 GPU, which is a much more expensive version. If you want to use a cheaper one, I think you can try the NVIDIA T4 GPU instead. But what actually it charged me is like only $0.5. Turns out when I get the Messi portraits. So coming back to the training session, once you get the output, you have to copy the link over here, and you can of course download it as well. and then we will be heading over to another model. This one is the training model, another one will be the application model, which is again a very popular model that it records almost 100,000 once. And of course, there are a lot other excellent models that's available on Replicate. You can explore it on your own. I'm not going through every one of it. So when you arrive this application model, again, you need to configure your input. I just use the same prompt as the Shruggingface, and then I try to change as little configuration as possible over here, since this is just a trial. But I'll tell you, this is really cheap to try it out, different kinds of configuration and how the results looks like, which one is better. And the most important thing over here is to paste the link you've just copied in the URL section. And of course, over here you can actually use more than one URL. Once you paste it over here, other things are just optional. And then you can again click the submit button. If everything goes well, you will get a self-portrait of Messi like this. You can also apply different style, right? This is a amazing, wonderful, and really fast way to get a customized self-portrait. And of course, you can also apply it into different scenario or use case. Use your creativity. Try the transformation out on your own from a really simple description into such a masterpiece. You can also add your own artistic spin with LoRA. And now, just one more question. How do you see tools like Stable Diffusion and LoRA changing the digital art landscape? Do you think it bridges the gap between technology and art, or bursts the line of genuine artistic creation? And of course, share with me all your creativities, business ideas, etc. I really look forward to it. Drop your thoughts in the comment below. Let's get a conversation going on. Let me know if you are interested in this kind of tools, no-code applications. I'll also attach some more technical video explaining what is Stable Diffusion and LoRA. So if you are excited about this as I am, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it for more AI application and no-code tools.